All right, welcome back, everybody. In this video today, we are actually going to be unboxing some Marvel character cars. So this is a new series, I believe it just came out, and I'm just really interested to open them up. If you watch our channel before, you know that we like to race our cars, and I'm really excited to get these on the track. So that being said, we're going to start. We have a Wolverine here. This is the Wolverine car. It looks pretty cool. You see that? We also have a Punisher car. And there's the Punisher. Also has a really neat look to it. You can see the skull on the top, the Punisher, famous Punisher skull. We have Deadpool. It's pretty neat, eh? With his new movie coming out. We'll be opening that up as well. We have Groot from the Guardians of the Galaxy. Looks like a big truck. Not a bad design. And last but not least, this is a pretty cool car. We have the Spider-Man car. Look at that. The design on that's pretty cool. Be interesting to see how that thing goes on the track. So we will be opening all 5 of those today, and we'll get a good look at them. So we'll start with Wolverine. So we're going to start with this one. As you can see, and there it is. So he has the claws on the front. Very neat design on this car. Very, very, very neat design. And that is Wolverine. Looks like it'll be a fast car. We'll have to test him out on the track and see how it does. Very cool. Now we'll open up the Punisher. And here we have the Punisher. There's the famous Punisher skull that everyone knows. That's one of his trademarks. There's the back. Cool wheels. Yeah, it's a really neat look. Very neat car. This one will be interesting as well. And there's the Punisher. Next we'll do Deadpool. And here we have it. It's a pretty basic design. Still looks pretty neat. Still looks pretty neat, but it's a basic design. And there's his famous logo there on the top. And there's his swords on the back. It'll be interesting to see how this one does on the track as well. Very neat. And let's get on to Groot. If any of you guys watch the Guardians of the Galaxy movies, he's one of the fan favorite characters. And there he is. It's pretty big, pretty neat, pretty basic. He's a flatbed, looks like just a flatbed transporting truck. But yeah, there it is. Good old Groot. All right. And then, last but not least, Spider-Man. This car is pretty cool. Looks neat. A lot of detail on the car too. So there you have it. Some really nice detail on the car. As you can see. Yeah, there it is, Spider-Man. So now that we've opened the cars, we're gonna have to race them against each other and see which one is the fastest. We have our track, and if you followed this channel, you know that we like to race all our cars. So if you haven't followed already, hit that sub button, and you'll be able to find out which one of these is the fastest. And we have a bunch of other Marvel cars that we will be putting in the race as well. And we can find out who the fastest Marvel car is out of the bunch. So I hope you enjoyed. And so here we go. We have Deadpool. We have Spider-Man. We have Punisher. We have Wolverine. It's my personal favorite. He's actually my favorite character too in the Marvel universe. And Groot. So those are the 5 that we opened today. And we'll be looking forward to see which one is the fastest. Hit that sub button, hit that like button, leave a comment what you think will be the fastest car out of the bunch. Have a good day. Bye-bye.